Ahoy little music pirates, my name is João Ramalheiro. I'm a music teacher, Microsoft expert educator, entrepreneur and founder of Classplash, and today in the world of music we will learn how to play Girls Like You from the wonderful Maroon 5 on the recorder. Please be advised that this video is addressed for more experienced recorder players or flute masters. Oh, why we use the name flute master when it's actually addressed for recorder players? Well, the fact is that this instrument here, the woodwind instrument, makes part of a family or group named duct flutes. It's a flute with a whistle mouthpiece. And in Portugal, we love to call it simply flauta. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the world of music. Let's Classplash. So besides learning this tricky to play music piece, we need to help our little friend and dragon Cornelius in the world of music by defending his tower from greedy bats. For that, I will ask for help my dear friend and Classplash teacher, Lara Silva.
Hello.
So Lara will play on a recorder with Baroque fingering. I will play on a recorder with German fingering. This way you can select what you want to use. But we recommend to use the Baroque fingering recorder. So now we will play each part very slow using the sheet music and you can follow us. On the left corner you will see the German fingering and on the right corner you will see the Baroque fingering. So let's do it! Now we will enter the play mode. If you have any issues with that, please download the free demo of Flute Master so that you can test it and understand the concept. In future videos, we will explain to you the basics. But for now, let's have some fun.
Not too long ago, I was dancing with dollars. No, it's really rude if I let you meet my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. Or every other girl you meet is fugazi. I'm sure the mother cause when they enough. But you need someone to space it up. So who you wanna call? Cardi, Cardi. Come and rev it up like a Harley, Harley. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? I'm coming to you not to enjoy me over the limit. The red light stops. I don't play when it comes to my heart. Let's get it though. I don't really want a white horse in a carriage. I'm thinking more the white Porsche is a carriage. I need you right here, cause every time you call, I play when it's still like you're big with your guitar.
This was amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. If yes, please hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification button to be informed about our new upcoming videos. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment below. So wherever you are on this planet, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you soon in this different world full of music. Adeus!
Adeus!